I'm Jenny Lee from Penang. I'm 81 years old. Actually, I was bitten by a roof beetle. That's what the doctor says. It was very painful and I had 2 big scars on my face. I was bitten about 1.5 months ago. Then the doctor says I should be given a treatment. I was given a course of antibiotics for 5 days and the thing didn't improve. I went to see her again and I was given another course of antibiotics. This time I was given also ointment to apply. But because after taking my antibiotics, I didn't feel the pain, but there I still had pus and blood from my wound, you see. After that, after the treatment, my scar became dry and I didn't feel the pain anymore. Actually, the scar was very sore, so I was advised to go for another course of treatment again. After the 3rd course, everything seems to be okay. Even the spots on my arm and all also disappear, became lighter and also disappear. Now everything is fine.